other locations and y'all are here.
No, I don't get that. Why does he even have my name in his mouth?
The it girl of all it girls. I just want to keep certain parts of my life private. You know, a lot of people have judged me for a lot of the relationships that I've been in. Like, I'm not a perfect person.
That's what you're upset about?
Absolutely.
It was like the last thing I wanted.
Fuck that bitch.
He's saying like you shouldn't marry me because I have a drinking problem. For 2 years, I let the timeline breathe. Army, are you ready? History just logged back in. I'm about to show you bitches why they call me the it girl.